Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTCS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis before a few days ago. That's where this green line annotation is coming from. And at that point in time, I talked about that as an important level of support. And you can see that when the price did break below it a few days ago, that is essentially what opened up the floodgates. And then since then, the price has never really recovered. However, on that note, to give some credit where credit's due to the bulls, this action, I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but this was pretty nasty in a hurry. Just down the price went. But over the past couple of days, and this is what makes the chart pretty interesting right now, is the price has just simply gone sideways. So very dramatic over here to now just going sideways. Now, don't get me wrong. I wish I could say that trading was this easy, and I wish I could say that, well, because the price was really dramatically getting hammered downwards, but now it's gone sideways, this is guaranteed to bounce up to 25 cents. Like I said, I wish trading was that easy, but it's not. So I'm not saying that, but I am saying that it is very interesting, and potentially maybe this is some sort of bottom that's forming here, given the way the price has acted the past couple of days, and that is by going sideways. So on that note, if this is some sort of bottom, well then 15.5 cents needs to continue to hold, because obviously if the price breaks below that green line, well then that's putting the price at new lows, and that would be a contradiction of what a bottom is. So 15.5 cents is going to be that key level of support going into next week. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level of resistance right up there at 17.5 cents. So, in a nutshell, if you want to just summarize this quickly and try to impress the ladies, all you got to really say is 30-minute channel pattern. And right here is the channel that's formed over the past couple of days. And the question really just becomes, is this some sort of bottom? Is the price channeling, aka bottoming out, to create some sort of bounce? Or is this just kind of a breath before the price continues a plunge downwards? Your guess is as good as mine. But at this point in time, it at least becomes logical to think maybe this is some sort of bottom. When the price was, right there, just completely getting hammered, or right there when the price was completely getting hammered, to ask at that moment in time, I wonder if this is a bottom. That didn't make any sense. There is no logical reasoning for that because the price was just simply getting flushed down the toilet. However, now with the price going sideways, it does at least become logical to question and wonder, is this some sort of bottom? So if it is, then, obviously 15.5 cents is going to need to hold, and we'll see if the price can get some breaks up above 17.5 cents. But next week should be pretty interesting. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.